انہوں نے پر امید ہونے کی کوشش کی.
They tried to sound optimistic. They tried to sound optimistic.
इसके चेहरे पर अज़्म था.
His face was set with determination. His face was set with determination.
इसने कुछ गलत कहा.
She said something wrong. She said something wrong.
ये यहाँ से मिला था.
It was found here. It was found here.
मैं इस मैदान में अपने घोड़े पर सवार हूँगा.
I will ride my horse in this arena. I will ride my horse in this arena.
वो हमेशा इसके बारे में बात करता है.
He always talks about it. He always talks about it.
आइए एक मकसद जारी रखें.
Let us pursue a goal. Let us pursue a goal.
उसके नाम ने मुझे खुश किया.
Her name amused me. Her name amused me.
वो सारा दिन तड़पता रहा.
He had agonized all day. He had agonized all day.
कल की फ्लाइट की तैयारी करें.
Prepare for the flight tomorrow. Prepare for the flight tomorrow.